Minasan konnichiwa, my name is Matt Okahara, and today we're going to look at what happens in the gun workshop. The Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps is not just a shooting team. As members of the castle community, we take part in activities to preserve the history of Japan. And one of the most significant activities is the maintenance of the Akahane collection at Matsumoto Castle Museum. The collection is made up of hundreds of historic firearms, many of which are on display. However, there simply isn't enough space to put every firearm on display. Many of the guns are kept in a secure storage area, and it is the responsibility of the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps to maintain these weapons as well. Along with firearms that would have been seen in the hands of the feudal warriors of Japan, such as the various types of matchlocks we have, the Akahane collection also features some very unique pieces. Many of these guns arrived in Japan during the Boshin War or the Meiji Restoration, and some of the firearms come from more recent conflicts such as the First and Second World Wars. The vast majority of the weapons, however, are matchlock guns, all of which are thoroughly researched. With such an extensive collection, it is easy to identify the diversity in Japanese firearms, and to also see the similarities and differences between Western firearms and Japanese-made firearms. Similar to weapon production in Europe and America, there is not just one type of matchlock, and gunsmiths and armament makers would also experiment with new designs and ideas. In addition, many of the firearms and weapons in the collections are custom made. They were requested from weaponsmiths and gunsmiths in Japan by the samurai caste. It was not uncommon for the samurai to be proficient in the use of firearms, and being part of the upper echelons of society, they were permitted to own guns and other weapons. And although the Meiji Restoration saw the end of the feudal era of Japan, many exceptional items from that era still exist. This is why the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps take great pride in what we do. Every time we pick up a gun, every time we pull the trigger, and every time we go into the gun workshop, we recognise the historical significance of the items we have in the activities we take part in. So as you can see, the gun workshop is a busy place. I hope you enjoyed this short upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the Matsumoto Castle Gun Corps' activities, as well as footage of our practice and demonstrations.